be the player or the sportsman that I am today without my Polynesian background.
If I could hold you, I would wrap you in my arms forever. There would be no other one.
Live a little, give a little, love a little, let the love emotion run on high.
Samoa fire that you see the sportsman that represents Samoa come with, you know, that's in all of us. I don't know if it was from the fussies that I used to get from my old man when I was young, but you know, I've always had that throughout my career, and I'll always be thankful. I guess that's why you see my tattoos. I'm a bit embarrassed that I can't speak Samoan, but I tend to show that how proud I am just by, you know, acknowledging, you know, through tattoos, and I guess, you know, saying that I'm a proud Samoan.